In this video, I will show you how to install Google Tag Manager on Google Sites. Visit sites.google.com. Select the website where you want to install Google Tag Manager. Open a new tab and go to tagmanager.google.com. Click Create Account. Enter your account name. For example, my Google site. Choose your country. Under Container Setup, enter your website's name. If you are unsure of the exact site name, you can check it under Settings, then Custom Domains in Google Sites. Select Web as the target platform. Now click Create. Review the terms. Click Yes to agree. Now you will see two snippets of code. The first code should be placed in the head section. The second code should be placed in the body section. Click the copy icon next to the first code. Now go back to your Google site. Click on the Insert tab. Choose Embed, then Embed Code. Paste the first code. Click Next and then Insert. Move this embedded code to the top of your page to simulate the head placement. Repeat the same steps. Insert, embed, then embed code. Paste the second code. Click next and then insert. Place this code somewhere lower on the page to represent the body area. Once both codes are added and positioned, click the publish button to save and update your site. Visit your website's live version. Use Google Tag Manager's preview and debug mode or other verification tools to confirm everything is set up correctly. You should see a green check mark once the installation is successful. So that's how you install Google Tag Manager on Google Sites. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.